Ever wondered why some products skyrocket in popularity while others, seemingly just as good, struggle to make even a dent in the market? The answer often lies in the marketing strategy. And today, we're going to delve into one such strategy that could be a game changer: YouTube Promotions Beta. Imagine having the ability to reach millions of viewers right in their living rooms, kitchens, or anywhere they have access to a screen. That's the power of YouTube Promotions Beta. But how does it work? It's a simple step-by-step process that anyone can master. Step 1. Creating a Google AdWords account. First, you need to create a Google AdWords account. This is the platform where you will manage all your YouTube promotions. It's quick, easy, and free to set up. Step 2. Creating a video campaign. Once your account is set up, you need to create a new video campaign. This is where you'll decide what kind of promotion you want to run, who you want to target, and how much you want to spend. This step is crucial, as it sets the foundation for your entire campaign. Step 3. Creating an engaging ad. Now it's time to create your ad. This is where your creativity can really shine. The ad should be engaging, informative, and most importantly, it should tell a story about your product that resonates with your target audience. Step 4. Setting your bid. After your ad is created, you need to set your bid. This is how much you're willing to pay each time someone interacts with your ad. A higher bid can increase your ad's chances of being shown, but it also means higher costs. Step 5. Launching your campaign. The final step is to launch your campaign. Once your campaign is live, you can monitor its performance through the Google AdWords dashboard. Here you can see how many people are viewing your ad, how many are clicking on it, and how much you're spending. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using YouTube Promotions Beta. But before we wrap up, let's quickly summarize the key points we've discussed. 1. YouTube Promotions. Beta is a powerful tool that can put your product in front of millions of potential customers. 2. To use it, you need to create a Google AdWords account and set up a video campaign. 3. Your ad should be engaging and tell a story that resonates with your audience. 4. You set your own bid, meaning you have control over how much you spend. 5. Once your campaign is live, you can monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed. So, if you've been struggling to market your product, consider giving YouTube Promotions Beta a try. With the right strategy, it could be the game changer you've been looking for.